I am the Senator for Kilifi.
Akiaria mbere ya kamiti ya Senate irathuthuria ikuu cia Shakahola, Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Kithure Kindiki ni atariirie uria muhunjia Paul Mackenzie na mwikuirwo munene wa ikuu ici akoretwo agikugiria wara arumiriri ake na honge cia ugitiri niguo kwiyeherania na maria makoretwo makihanika mutitu-ini wa Shakahola.
It has turned out that this is a well-organized crime of great proportion, well planned, well organized, well executed.
Kindiki ni atariirie uria arumiriri aingi a Mackenzie matonganire na gikuo na ona gutwika uthuthuria wonanitie aingi makuire ni kwaga kuria, amwe moragirwo na njira ya unyamu thutha wa gucenjia murugamo makienda kwihonokia na gutiganiria mahoya ma kwihinga.
Mr. Mackenzie had employed armed criminals to supervise starvation, and if any person changed their mind, they will be clobbered to death, strangulated to death, or otherwise killed.
Uthuthuria uyu oho kionania ati namba nene ya mbere iria ithikuritio mutitu-ini uyu ni ya andu aria makuire na guthikwo thutha wa tariki 22 mweri-ini wa gatu mwaka uyu.
Majority of the people we have exhumed died in a period of not more than 26 days before they were exhumed. So they were all exhumed after March. They were all killed and buried after March.
Kindiki ni acungite muhera akiuga honge cia ugitiri ni ciaregerire wira-ini ona thutha wa ripoti cia ndini ya Mackenzie kwiyumiria mahinda kwa mahinda, akiuga gatagati ka honge ingi iria ibatie gucokia ciuria ni ruhonge rwa magoti amu Mackenzie anaikio ngono no agicoka kurekererio hatari na uthuthuria wa kuigana.
The judiciary should answer to the people of Kenya where they were when these things were happening. More than 3 times, Mr. Mackenzie has been charged with offenses related to radicalization, incitement, distorted preaching. And every time he's out on a cash bill, 10,000 shillings.
Ona kuhanora uguo augite kwiyumiria gwa ciiko ici ni guguteithiriria guthurima honge cia ugitiri niguo gutigirira kuri na wigiririki.
This event will help us overhaul, transform, renew, and rejuvenate our national security institutions.
Kwa ihinda riri thirikari ni yambite kurugamia mihango ya guthikuria miiri makiria mutitu-ini wa Shakahola niguo kuhekanya uthuthuria wa miiri iria ithikuritio, mihango ino igitanywo gucokereria ica ikuhi.
We have images from satellite and other technology which we are applying there, which has shown us there are more graves. But at the moment we are sure of 10 mass graves that are not open.
Haduine Hakameme TV, Jitagogena, Wawaduro.